So we have to, yes, we have to smash it with our hands, and then I'll do mine first so you can see how it will look like, okay?
Okay.
So first, I have to use my fist, and I'm gonna. Oh, see. Okay. Are you? Yeah. So ready? Okay. And smash.
What's coming up?
Let-
Oh yeah! Mine's not! Mine's not!
Yeah.
Wow!
See? I want you to draw. How does it look like? So for me, remember the balloon looks like this only. What happened next? This is the one that we have. Then when we pop, what happened?